In this video, I'm going to show you how you can install Google Translate extension on your Chrome browser. If you will find this video helpful, please like and subscribe to this channel. Alright, so if you want to add Google Translate as an extension on your Chrome browser, it's pretty simple. Just go ahead and open your Chrome browser on your computer, then head on top here to these three dots or ellipses. If you click on them, now you can see we have an option for extensions. We need to go ahead and visit the Chrome extension web store. So click on visit Chrome web store. And here you can see we have a web store for all extensions that you may want. If you find it available on your homepage, you can go ahead and click directly on it. However, if you don't see it, then just go ahead and using the search bar on top here, search for Google Translate. You can see even before I finish typing, it is here. Click on it and see we have our Google Translate extension here. By the time of recording this extension has over 39 million users with a star rating of 4.2 from over 44,700 reviews. And the company that produces this is Google. So if you see these details, then you'll know that you have the right extension. Now to install it, go ahead and just click on add to Chrome, and then you'll be prompted here. If indeed you want to add it, go ahead and confirm by clicking on add extension. This will go ahead and download the extension and then add it on your browser. Now if you go ahead and open a new tab and then click on extension icon, this is an extension icon. You can see we have a Google Translate. You can go ahead and click on manage and make sure that the Google Translate extension is turned on for it to be effective. From now, you can start using it while browsing on Google Chrome. So that's how you can install or add Google Translate extension on your Chrome browser. If you have any other question, kindly let me know in the comment section. Otherwise, thanks for watching and let's meet in the next video.